Hello, dear students. Myself, Dr. Sharayu Manoj Thorat, Associate Professor, Sri Shivaji College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Akola, from Maharashtra. I am going to talk on a very important topic, values of life. Before we begin, my tribute to the great visionary and educationist, a selfless social activist, leader of farmers, Dr. Panjabrao alias Bhausaheb Deshmukh, whose life always inspires us to do the best. According to a famous quote by Abraham Lincoln, character is like a tree and reputation like its shadow. The shadow is what we think of it, the tree is the real thing. So, according to this quote, if you have to build a strong moral character, then you should have the base of moral values. The reputation automatically follows the suit. Before we begin to elaborate on need of values in our life, dear students, I want to share something. A student's life is full of challenges. The problem is, if we neglect to inculcate or understand the values of life, we will not be able to perceive, comprehend, and distinguish between what is right and what is wrong. And this will result creating problems in society. Moral values are very important in today's times because, dear students, you are going to become responsible citizens of our country. You are the future of India. You are going to hold important positions in life. So, we move on to understand what is meant by a value. A value is something that we think is very essential and worthwhile in building our character. A value is considered as building blocks of our life, guide our behavior, inform decisions and judgments, and make us good and active citizens. Education can make you a successful person in the future, but you also need core values in order to succeed. Values is learning about the ideals that a society considers important. Values helps us to develop all rounds of skills, holistic personality in daily life, importance of life in good or bad direction, culture understanding, and lots more. The aim for the students is to reflect values in their attitudes and behavior and contribute to the society through good citizenship and ethics. Let's move on to the classification of values. Values can be classified according to many different types, but the most important of them are the 5 types, that is ethical values, social values, spiritual values, educational values, and professional values. Out of these, we are going to discuss the values related to our education. Respect, responsibility, honesty, commitment, consistency and hard work, efficiency, critical thinking, communication, and collaboration. Besides these, we also have the following: keep practicing truth, kindness, dedication, discernment between truth and falsehood, and discipline. As we know, every end has a new beginning. So here doesn't end the discussion on values. In our next section, we are going to discuss and elaborate each value in detail which are required for a student's life. Till then, thank you and take care.